Alright, good evening everybody. My name is Sunday Olawoyin. I'm a 1K plus guider in MMM Nigeria, and I've been in this community for like just 4 months. And sincerely, since I joined, my life has been transformed. This is my first video anyway. I just felt I should show my face to the world and tell them how blessed God has blessed us through this platform called MMM. Of recent, I'm going to share the recent testimony. Of recent, I provided help of 500k. That was on the 18th of October, and on the 19th of November, I requested for help of 2,956,000 naira. And to my greatest surprise, all was paid to my bank account within 48 hours. It's really amazing. Now, you may not really understand where I'm coming from. I came from a very humble background that all my life I had to hustle to make it in life. That's the truth. I could not even afford to pay for my wife few years ago. So, but right now, I'm married to the glory of God, courtesy of MMM. We moved from one small self-contained to 2-bedroom giant flat where I'm doing this video right now, and many other benefits I don't want to broadcast to the whole world right now. God has helped us to achieve training. I just want to thank God for creating someone like Sergeant Mafrodi. And I want to encourage every other Nigerian out there to please stop wishing anyone to crash, because it will not crash. I personally will not stop PHing, and I will not stop GHing. And I'm sure every MM participant in the world will not stop that too. So when crashing, I'm just so excited, I'm so happy, and I pray that this continue for life. Together we change the world. Thank you for your memory. Alright. Sunday Olawoyin repping Team Port Harcourt City. Alright, thank you.